Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an exercise which I've created, which is going to help you to connect your head voice through your mixed voice and back down into your chest voice. Now, if you're not familiar with those terms that I'm talking about, then I really encourage you, first of all, to go across and find some of my videos which talk about chest voice and head voice and strengthening those parts of your range before you tackle this particular exercise. But if you're fully confident in connecting straight into your head voice and feeling your chest voice, but sometimes you don't have a great blend between those two, then this is going to be a fantastic exercise for you to help smooth out those register connections. And if you're not sure about that mysterious mix, which is, a strange topic for many people as to what is the mix, then you can find some of my videos on mixed voice as well. But this exercise will still help you to blend through that part of your range as well. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're working with the E vowel and the U vowel. They're both very closed down vowels. Now, when you're working with the E, I want you to be very careful that you don't go too wide on that E. Make sure that it stays very frontal. And when you're working with the E, you're going to slightly push your lips forward, E, and feel that the E is resonating or vibrating up just behind your front teeth on your hard palate. That's the hard part of the roof of your mouth in the front. And when you're working with the U, a similar situation, but you want to feel the U a little bit more to the middle of your hard palate, so the center of the roof of your mouth. And to help you with that, when you're working with the E, I'm giving you a work at the beginning of the exercise just to pull those lips forward before you project it into the vowel. And then when you're working with the U vowel, I'm going to give you a Z at the beginning to help you pull the sound forward, the same principle. So let's just get straight into it, and I'm going to demonstrate the exercise, walk you through it a little bit, and then we're going to start free-flowing the whole exercise to give you a chance to try it out for yourself. We're going to start on a nice high note. Ladies, you're going to be up here. And guys, if you're singing with me, you're going to be starting on this D for yourselves. All right? But I'm going to sing with you, ladies. And guys, you're going to be here. We're going to start projecting straight into that. So you can see I'm sliding from a 5 to 1 on the scale. I don't want that you just fall straight through the middle. Feel like you're falling from an elevator. It's a glide all the way down. Feel that gentle glide down. And we're going to do that 3 times. Let's give it a try. Turn at the top on the wee. Now we move to the zoo. So, repeat that. So. Now we end with a 5 to 3 to 1 on the scale. So. So that's your exercise broken down for you. Now I'm going to just demonstrate the entire exercise, and I'm going to flow it through, and we're going to do some key changes, bringing you down lower and lower and lower each time, so you get the feel for how you can just keep it flowing. Did you notice I was taking a breath every time I reconnected into that we? So the breath comes right back down here. And then you reconnect back into that note, or just a reflex breath. Just relax the breath back in and then re-engage your core to reconnect you into that top note. Should feel very easy. You shouldn't feel any strain, you shouldn't feel any discomfort, and you shouldn't feel that it's an effort, all right? I want this exercise to feel free and easy. Now let's give it a try again, and feel free to join in whenever you feel comfortable. So So I hope you really enjoyed this exercise and I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to know more about this exercise and more of these exercises which are a part of my Vocal Vibes workout program, then please check the link below because you can sign up to get a hold of all of these exercises and work with me then as your mentor, as your voice coach then going forward. And please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any forthcoming videos. I'm Lisa Hugo and I'll see you in the next video.